Hi you all, how are we today? Early in the morning, but it's the best time to do it with this heat. Rain last night, thank God, it's broken the heat barrier down. Anyway, yesterday I took a trip down what was going to be just a Kalamaki sandy beach. But as it turned out, I was so disappointed with what I saw on the beach. It used to be a bloody wonderful place. Beautiful sand, shallow water, everyone happy. Now it's just, well, just miserable. So I filmed there and I went on to Kassiopi. Shouldn't have done that. It's been a few years since I went to Kassiopi. At first I had to park the car. Rip off, €5 to park my car. Yet there used to be so much parking space down on the harbour, it was untrue. Do you know, I'm just going to interrupt here. I've got 6 cats running around my feet. Pain in the butt. Get off! Anyway, so there we go. There were a few highlights for me in Kassiopi. Cosmic Travel's still there, and they're very reliable, very good place. Illusions Bar's still there. They do very good in the evenings. But the bottom line is, all in all, for me it was depressing. Anyway, I ended up back at Oscar's, had a couple of jars there, met a couple of YouTubers, which was giving me great pleasure. Always like to talk to people, put faces to names that I see on the comments. And basically, there you are, you have a video to watch. Hope you enjoy it, and don't be put off by my comments. That's only my personal views, of course, and I'm usually pretty jaundiced at my age. Don't worry about it. So enjoy the video, I hope. Bye for now. Well, here I am on Kalamaki Beach, Sandy Beach. I've deliberately come early. It's about 10 AM. So the beach is empty at the moment. Now you've got, God knows how much beach here. It's beautiful and sandy, perfect for children. The water's very shallow for quite a long way out. Really nice here. Now up there is Nico's Taverna, which for my money is the best one around here. In the last couple of years, 2 or 3 other tavernas have become accessible from the beach, but this is the original. Good traditional food. I've known the guy for 33 years. Lovely man. With a bit of foresight to build apartments as well. Sunbeds galore. Now on this beach sunbeds aren't usually free, but they're very cheap. Most beaches you go on, if you buy a drink from the house or from the bar or taverna they're in front of, you get freebies for the sunbeds. You can see how shallow the water is, how far out. That guy walking up to his ankles still. Bit of a wind today, very pleasant because it's bloody hot. Amazing. This is the time to come to the beach. Now that is Imperia Taverna. Nice place to go if you want a quiet night out with local food. There's a harbour down there as well. Like I said, Imuria Taverna. I'm on the road from Kalamaki to Kassiopi. If you ever want to give it a try, well worth it. So I'm in Kassiopi now. Just been totally ripped off by the car park at €5. That's a ridiculous sum of money to park. €5. It's outrageous. So far very disappointed in Kassiopi. Just money grabbing. Don't forget to walk down the side streets and see what you can see. Coming up to the square, which is usually a traffic jam, especially if there's a bus going through. Oh, a familiar looking bar. I bet it costs a lot to drink in there now though. Well, I'm at the square, chaos personified. At least the Cafe Neon is still there. Well, that one's newish. They might have not been to Kassiopi for about 4 years. Don't know where that one leads to. I wonder where that one goes. I'm too tired to walk down there. Cosmic Travel, well that's been there donkey's years. And I know for a fact that they're reliable and they've got good products. Not seen this place before. It used to be called Illusions or something like that. My mistake, I think that's Illusions down there. That's all changed to me. That's Illusions down the bottom there for sure, because it says so. My God, I'm so out of touch with this place. Don't get old. I used to go in there a lot. Sun's a bit low, facing me. Well, nothing's changed up there. The boats have all left on their day trips. This is where the Christina usually is. It looks the same, but it's not the same, if you know what I mean. You can walk up the top to the castle for the view if you want. Too far for me at my age. Back at the square, walking up to the extortionately priced car park. I keep telling my dad not to bring a rowing boat out where I'm working. So, just finished work. I'm here at my favourite bar, Oscars, in Rhoda. Having a rest now because I need it. My God, it's hot today. It's only 11 o'clock. So here I am in Oscars. I've just had my drink and I bump into Sean and Andrea from England. What part of England are you from?
Lincoln, Alan.
From Lincoln. How you enjoying your holiday?
Oh, beautiful, mate, beautiful.
And what do you think of Corfu?
Love it.
You're thinking of buying a house, aren't you?
Yeah, we've been here about 3 times a year for about the last 18 years, so we keep coming, so we might as well rent somewhere first, I think.
There you go, you got it from the horse's mouth.
Try it out in the winter, see how we get on, then take it from there, really.
And that's very sensible. Always try the winter first. Right, I'll see you guys. Thank you for talking to me.
Thank you, Alan.
Bye, Alan.
Cheers.